Guys, this ROM tips. Today I show you how to buy a eSim that will work in Gibraltar, and the link and coupon will be in the description. Okay, let's go. Open description and click on copy coupon ROM tips and click on links eSim. Okay, all right, and write. Click on this and open page. The service number 1 for eSim all countries, all world. Alright, and scroll down and choose a fixed data plan. 1 GB 7 days, 3 GB 2 weeks, and 3 GB 30 days. I'm select this and click on buy it now. Alright, and click on discount code and write ROM tips and click on apply. Alright, quickly, yeah, discount and $1.50, yes, and click on Google Pay and buy a SIM or write email, payment, billing address and click on pay now. Alright, and open new page and buy a SIM and send your email address, QR code and instruction for activation, and that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.